All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Brian, it's been a while. Today I'm finally deciding to install the turbocharger, replacement turbocharger on my 2002 Volkswagen GTI. I'm gonna do the turbocharger, gonna do the oil drain, all new gaskets, fully connect the downpipe again, tighten up the 2 sensor elbows, and stay tuned for all this. Hopefully it'll be a nice video, filming this whole thing on the GoPro. Stay tuned. Alright, well, here she is in all of her 200 horsepower aboard. Here we go. Better warm up a little bit. Alright, so my first step was jack up your car.
First, put the car in gear and jack up the car. Don't forget axle stands.
Alright guys, so this is the BorgWarner KO3 stock turbo from FCP Euro. I ordered this a few months ago. I actually put it in. It's actually really tiny, but the whole point of this car is for response, not, you know, speed or high-end boost. It does push around 12 pounds, so maybe this will help out a little bit. Definitely with lag. Casting's not too bad. Wastegate and everything's really good. I know I can adjust the wastegate. I wonder if that'll help me with boost. So yeah, it rusted a little bit because I left it out of the bag, but thing's pretty mint. So let's install this guy. So I just sprayed these bolts down below. That's why it's steaming still, because the car was warm. I'm going to disconnect all this stuff from the front so I could just take off the bolts and it all just comes out in one piece.
2,000 years later.
Alright guys, so update. It's been a while. Probably been an hour and a half. I got the whole turbo out. It's fully disconnected. I just have to take the axle out to get it out because I don't want to take apart all of this, like in the turbo or in the manifold, just to try and get that out. So stay tuned. All right, after further investigation, this GoPro is probably actually going to die, so I'll continue the video if it actually does on my cell phone. Further investigation, I looked at it and I'm like, maybe I should just approach it and take it out from the top. So I did. There was enough room. I did scratch it up a little bit, but look, there she is, 176,000 mile turbo. Let's see the shaft play. There really isn't any, which is so weird. There we go. Time to put the new one in. Oil return, not feed. Feed's fine. You gotta do the coolant stuff, but yeah, we're live, baby. Say what's up to the vlog, Zach.
Bye.